In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Analytics to your WordPress blog step by step. Google Analytics is an essential tool for understanding your website's performance, tracking visitor behavior, and making data-driven decisions to grow your blog. By integrating it with WordPress, you'll gain access to valuable insights about your audience and how they interact with your content, whether you're a beginner or someone looking to optimize your analytics setup. This tutorial will guide you through the entire process with simple, clear instructions. If you don't already have a WordPress account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the WordPress website. Once you're on the homepage, look toward the top right corner of the screen where you'll see the login option. Go ahead and click on that now. Instead of typing in a username and password, we're going to use the Continue with Google option. Choosing this method makes the login process quicker and eliminates the need to remember yet another password. After clicking, you'll see a list of Google accounts associated with your browser. Simply select the account you want to connect. Make sure this is the same Google account linked to your Google Analytics data, as this will ensure a seamless integration later on. Once you're logged in, we'll move into the WordPress dashboard. From here, navigate to the Tools section. You'll find this in the menu on the left-hand side. The Tools section is where WordPress provides various features to help you manage your website efficiently. Within Tools, locate the Traffic option and give it a click. The Traffic section is particularly important because it provides key insights into your blog's visitor statistics and performance settings, which will be central to this integration. Now let's connect Google Analytics to your WordPress blog. In the Traffic area, scroll down until you see the Google Analytics section. Here you'll find an option to connect your Google Analytics account. Click on it to start the connection process. This step allows your WordPress blog to communicate directly with Google Analytics, enabling it to collect and analyze visitor data. From here, you'll be guided by on-screen instructions. Simply follow along, and when prompted, grant the necessary permissions. These permissions are required for WordPress to securely access the data it needs, so take a moment to review them and confirm. Rest assured, this process is designed to protect your information while establishing the connection. Before we wrap up the integration, it's important to verify that your WordPress subscription includes the Premium plan. The Google Analytics connection feature is only available on Premium or higher plans, so double-check your subscription. If you're not on Premium, you'll need to upgrade to access these advanced features. Finally, confirm that the connection between WordPress and Google Analytics has been successfully established. This confirmation ensures that everything is set up correctly and your blog is ready to start receiving detailed performance metrics. Once connected, you'll be able to monitor your site's traffic, understand your audience's behavior, and make informed decisions to improve your blog. And that's how you add Google Analytics to your WordPress blog step by step. With this integration, you now have the tools to track and analyze your blog's performance effectively. If you have any questions or other topics you'd like me to cover, let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.